Hello dear friends, today we will learn about the core cutter test, and with the help of core cutter test we find the wet density and dry density.
As per Indian Standard Code 2720, the dry density of soil is the ratio of weight of oven dry soil per unit volume of the soil, that is dry density. Apparatus used to conduct this test: cylindrical core cutter, 100 mm internal dia and 130 mm long, steel dolly, 25 mm high and 100 mm internal diameter, steel rammer, now the weight 9 kg, overall length with the foot and staff 900 mm, weighing machine having accuracy of 1 gram, straight edge steel rule, knife and observation sheet to record the readings. Okay, now start the test. Set the steel dolly on the top of core cutter and press core cutter into the soil mass using the rammer. Stop pressing when about 15 mm of the dolly exposed from the soil surface. Remove the surrounding soil of the core cutter by excavating tool. If we performing our test in sandy soil, we may use trowel also. Now continue excavation. Now take out soil filled core cutter from the embedded soil. Now trim or cut the top surface of the core cutter with the help of straight edge steel rule. Now weigh the core cutter with the sample. That is 2.798 and record this in the observation sheet. Now the weight of wet soil will be equal to weight of core cutter plus soil minus weight of core cutter, and this will be equal to 2798 minus 971. This will be equal to 1827 gram. This is the weight of wet soil. Now the wet density. Now the wet density will be equal to weight of wet soil divided by volume of core cutter. Now this will be equal to weight of wet soil 1827 divided by 1021. This will be equal to 1827 divided by 1021. This comes to 1.789. This will be gram per cubic centimeter. This is the wet density of the soil. Now we calculate dry density. Dry density formula is gamma D is equal to gamma W divided by 1 plus water content. In this water content will be in percentage, where gamma W is equal to wet density of the soil, that is 1.789 divided by 1 plus 0.08, 8% of water content. Now this water content may be calculated by oven dry method or by rapid moisture meter, that is based on calcium carbide method. You may watch my video separately on the determination of moisture content by rapid moisture meter. Now this will be equal to 1.789 divided by 1 plus 0.08. This will be equal to 1.657 gram per cubic centimeter. Thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, dear friends, I hope after watching this video everyone will be able to conduct or to perform this test